Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best bench vise. Here are the top 3 bench vise that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. HFS Heavyduty Bench Vise. The bench vise is made from cast steel iron to make it durable and dependable. It comes with an affordable price tag and also operates like a premium bench vise. The bench vise has a 360-degree swivel base with pre-drilled holes to easily mount it on the table. It also comes with a lock screw, which allows you to lock the base and eliminate any movement. The bench vise also features a large and polished anvil to hammer or shape work pieces. At number 2. DeWalt Heavy-Duty Workshop Bench Vise. The bench is made from high-strength steel and cast iron components to make it a durable bench vise. It features a swivel base of up to 210 degrees that allows you to clamp the workpieces easily. It comes with micro-grooved steel jaws and a strong grip to eliminate object movement once it is clamped. It also features a large anvil work surface at the back for shaping and hammering metals. The main screw comes with rolled threads that are wear-resistant and offer smooth operation. At number 1. Yost LV4 Home Vise. The bench vise comes with an improved base design, allowing you to mount the vise on the table in the most secure possible way. The enhanced base also offers 240 degrees of swivel to offer you comfortability while working. It also comes with an Acme thread to quickly engage and disengage the main screw. It comes with mechanized serrated jaws that are 4.5 inches in width for firm holding of the object. The bench vise can grip round objects ranging from 0.6 inches to 1.85 inches in diameter. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.